Have you ever wanted to customize your app logo depending on the user that is logged in your Software app? Well, now with dynamic app logos, you can in Softr. Let me show you how to set this up. Now, first and foremost, this is for those that are on an upper tier plan. And for those that have access to it, you can go to Settings, General, and then you'll look at Dynamic App Logo right there. Now, you could toggle this on, and then you can go to Configure it. And for that, you want to figure out what logo do I want to showcase. And in my situation, I am using a client portal template. So for my client portal template, I want to showcase the company's logo. Now, for that, I'm going to pick the company table, and then I'm going to pick the company's horizontal logo, which is what I have in my database right here. Now, if I go into preview, I can see that Aiden, he represents or belongs to the company called Portal. But if we want to pull up Mr. Isaac, we can see that Isaac belongs to Team Softr. And now we have dynamic app logos set up for our Softr application, just as easy as that. We hope you love this new feature, and if so, let us know below. Otherwise, I'll see you for the next one. See ya.